A special thanks to AutoSource for making this tutorial and video possible. Check them out for all your car buying needs.
It's time to make over these brown cabinets. I'm taking Steph's tutorial from our website, doityourselfdivas.com, and following it step by step to show you how totally easy it is to transform your kitchen.
Step 1. Be sure to remember that this is a marathon and not a sprint. I gave myself 3 days just for prep. Remove all doors and drawers. Remove hinges and number all parts so you can easily put everything back where it was. Wash everything down, removing grease and dirt and grime. I used Brillo pads and found that it worked perfect. Make sure that you get front, back, even sides of the doors, just to make sure you get rid of every single bit of dirt and grime. Next, you'll want to dry them off really well so that they'll be ready to sand. Once the drawers and cupboards are dry, very lightly sand everything with 220 grit sandpaper. Here I used a sandpaper block, which I thought worked just lovely. My littlest helper and I went to our local Jones Paint and Glass to pick up our paint, the Benjamin Moore Advanced Waterborne Paint in Satin. I just got the white paint straight out of the can for my kitchen cabinets. Highly recommended, highly recommended. It is amazing paint. Once again, AutoSource, thank you so much for helping us with this video. You guys have got to check them out. There's going to be a link in the description below. So after cleaning the cabinets and sanding the cabinets and then cleaning them again, it's time to caulk them so that they're perfect and ready to be painted. Okay, so it's super important to tape off and paper off and plastic off and basically just protect and wrap your entire kitchen before you start painting. As you can see, my husband put up some plastic for me and I covered all my cupboard, the insides of my cupboard with paper and painter's tape. And once you've done that, you can go at it and just spray away. Prime first, then paint. So I ended up only doing 1 coat of primer, and then once the primer dried, I did 2 coats of paint, and I felt like that was pretty good. I probably could have done a 3rd coat of paint and it would have even looked better, but I'm still really happy with the results. Just trying to pass the time, waiting for the paint to dry. At long last, a week after I first began this project, it's finally time to put up my new white cabinets. I am in love with my new kitchen. I love how airy and open and bright it feels. I can't believe how much bigger it feels too. It's kind of amazing. If you have a little bit of patience, a little bit of paint, and some time, you too can transform your kitchen. If you like this video, check out our other videos and subscribe. Thanks so much!